Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Iceman J, and today we finally got the exhaust. I'm gonna show you guys in a second, but right now just want to show you my boy's Evo. Owner is Chris. This thing is clean, you know what I'm saying? Let's take a good look at this joint. As far as exterior wise, it's stock. Mods, he's stock. I'm not gonna go into detail, but yeah. So today we're gonna be installing the long-awaited Tomei exhaust with the ISR white pipe, and I also got the Motordyne ART pipes as well. We're over at Finest Detail. I don't know if you guys can see that. Make sure you guys give these guys a follow on Instagram, Finest Detail. This is where my boy works for all your detail and window tint and wrap needs. Just come over to Finest Detail. They'll be sure to take care of you. And let's go on inside. I'll show you guys the parts. So as you guys can see, we got the Tomei. Been wanting this exhaust before I even had a fucking car, and got that right there. Here's the other piece, and I got my girlfriend unboxing the other one. We have the ISR white pipe. We have my car. Got Chris. Say what's up to the vlog.
Good vlog.
And I have the art pipes, but we're not installing them today as I don't have the tools to do it. But we have everything that we need. I'm gonna do a last, not a cold start because I just was driving the car, but a couple revs. Thank you, babe. This is the other piece for the Tomei. Do a couple revs on the stock exhaust, and its final, you know, with the final time with the stock exhaust until I get pulled over again and I have to remove it, which probably won't happen. But so yeah, stay tuned. We just fucking took that exhaust off, y'all. Thank you so much, Efrain. Appreciate you, bro. This shit is fat as hell, bro. This shit weighs so much. Now we gotta hold on, yeah. That's my boy's FP6. Got the Tomei. About to install that bitch. Gotta put it together and install it. I'm not installing the art pipes today because I don't have the tools to do it. But we finally got the exhaust off. We had to go to Harbor Freight. It's just something cheap. And hold on, y'all. And use this, a saw, to cut the fucking exhaust because the fucking the bolts were rounded and we couldn't do shit. So we about to install it now, and I'm so excited. Can't wait. Let's get it. Put it higher.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Right there. It's good there.
Here, start the tube up. Do not cross thread. That's the last shit we need.
right now?
Yeah, just leave it.
Okay. What's up, baby? Huh? Yo, this exhaust has been a pain in the ass. Like, I don't understand. Can you see me? It has been a pain in the ass. We're almost done. Almost done, though, right? Almost done. Almost done. Get ready for that Tomei cold starts coming soon. Stay tuned, yo. So we're just checking for exhaust leaks and all of that. My boy Efrain did almost all the work. I'm so happy, guys. This shit sounds fucking amazing. I still need to install the ART pipes, which I'm gonna do that on like Saturday. So I'm gonna make another video once the ART pipes are installed. I have them. It's just I didn't have the tools to do them and everything like that, and those are a bitch. So I'm gonna go to my boy. That he's a tech and Nissan. So he's gonna help me with that, but I'm so excited. I'm gonna do a couple clips of downshifts and a couple flybys. So this is just like the install part and everything like that, the first startup. But stay tuned, and I got some clips coming up soon. Y'all like it? So that's basically the end of the video. It's like the second day. I hope you guys enjoyed the exhaust install and everything like that. I know it wasn't 100% detailed because we were more so focused on trying to get it done. I just want to give a huge shout out to everybody that helped me, you know, Chris, Efrain, my girlfriend for being there. Huge shout out to Finance Detail for letting me use their place to do my work and everything. So I appreciate that. Appreciate Marvin. Appreciate all of you guys for staying tuned and watching my video, man. Without you guys, you know, I can't be doing this, but just gotta keep going up, leveling up, you know what I'm saying? I know I'm gonna get somewhere with this as long as you guys are patient with me. Trust me, I'll bring the content. I got y'all. And last video I talked about waiting to go turbo and everything like that. I feel like that's gonna take a long time, so I want to give you guys content. So my decision for right now, I think I'm just gonna do like bolt-ons and everything like that. I need to snatch up some intakes. I'm thinking of going to admin intakes and then some E85 and getting dyno tune. I'm trying to get into the dyno session for admin on in May, so hopefully those are gonna be some good videos. I'm trying to tell you, I trip to New York, so I can get dyno tuned by admin, and I can show you guys the whole process of that and everything like that. But I really appreciate everybody staying tuned to watch. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I got another video coming out with the art pipe installs, and the car's gonna sound a lot different. So based on what you hear now, it's gonna sound a little bit different. Hopefully you know, everything goes good. I'm able to record it. Of course I'm gonna record that, you know what I'm saying? And I hope you guys stay tuned and watch the other video that's coming out. And then once I get my intakes, I'll record that as well. I'm telling y'all, I got a lot of plan for the channel. I got a lot of plan for this car. I plan on keeping this car for a very, very long time. So, and I'm sorry if I'm sounding like I'm out of breath. It's cold as hell right now. Yesterday it was like 60 degrees, 50 degrees or something like that, and now it's cold as hell. But that's gonna do it for today's video. I know it wasn't just one video, it was a couple clips and everything like that, and it took me a long time to upload this video because I work. So I work night shift, and it's really hard to get up and try to you know, finish the video and everything like that, because I'd be tired from work. You know, I work night shift. I get home early in the morning, so I just sleep, and then by the time I wake up, it's time to go back into work. So it's kind of hard, you know, but I'll try to stay consistent. And yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. Huge shout out to everybody that was a part of this video, and I just want to thank everybody once again, you know. And I hope you guys are willing to stay with me, be patient with me, because I'm telling you, we going up, baby. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put DMV on the map. Let me know. All right, stay tuned.